Hello everyone. Now it's story time. And in previous video we had learned about obedience. And you now all of you know that what what is obeying? Obeying means doing what you are told to do. आपको जो कहा जाता है करने के लिए वो अगर आप करते हैं it is called obedience. And we had learned a story about a girl who did not obey. The girl, she was Renu, and she went to the park with his dog Bozo. And after that, what happens that we had seen in that story. Now we will see the question answer, and I know all of you know the answer. The first one, what did Renu and Bozo play with? I know, all of you know that. वो दोनों किससे खेलते थे? Renu and Bozo played with the ball. Then next, what did mother tell Renu? Mother told Renu that if Bozo chases the ball towards the road, then he might get hurt. Once again, I am telling, mother told Renu that if Bozo chases the ball towards the road, then he might get hurt. अगर वो बॉल के पीछे भागेगा और रोड की तरफ जाएगा तो उसके चोट लग जाएगी. Then third one, did रेनू obey her mother? क्या रेनू अपने मम्मा की बात सुनती है? No, रेनू did not obey her mother. Then what happened to Bozo? Bozo was hit by a cycle coming towards him. What happens? Bozo was hit by a bicycle coming towards him. Then why did he get hurt? उसको क्यों चोट लगी? Bozo got hurt because it ran after the ball which rolled onto the road. Why he hurt? Because it ran after the ball which rolled on to the road. Then at last, what did Renu learn? Renu learned to obey her mother. It's simple. Renu learned to obey her mother. So, I hope all of you can give the answer whatever is there in the textbook. And now we will see some more points. Teachers and parents know what is good for you. They want you to be safe and happy. That is why they make rules for you to obey. See, teachers and parents, whoever is telling you to do something or not to do something, it will be good for you only. है ना? If teacher in the school, if they told you don't run in the corridor, so it is good for you. If you will run and fall down, then you will be hurt. So whatever the teacher are telling in the school and parents at home, they are telling to you, it is good for you only. You must obey your parents and grandparents. When you obey them, you do what is good for you. That makes them happy. So whenever you are obeying your elders, parents, teacher and grandparents, then you do what is good for you, and this makes your parents happy. If you do not obey them, you may get into trouble. If you will not listen whatever your parents and elders is telling to you, then it is possible that you may get into trouble. When you obey them, you are happy and safe. Obviously, if you listen to your parents, you you will be happy and safe. And now I will tell you some important things that is very necessary for all of you. Be careful, be safe. A stranger is a person you do not know. You do not know his or her name. You do not know where he or she lives. You don't know if strangers are good or bad people. So you should be very careful with the strangers. See, these type of advice your parents are also giving to you, that if any person to whom you don't know, you should not talk to him. If he gives you anything, if he tells you anything about your parents also, you should not listen. You should not take anything from the strangers, so that you can be careful and safe. Otherwise, it is quite possible that the stranger person can harm you. Here are such things that you should not do. Never accept anything from strangers. If any stranger is giving you anything, especially chocolates, you all love to eat chocolates, but if any stranger is giving to you, you don't have to take these. No, I don't want this. What you have to tell? No, I don't want this. Then never let a stranger touch you. If any person is there to whom you don't know, you should not allow him to even touch you. You tell them, don't touch me. Then never talk to a stranger when you are alone. If you are afraid, just scream help. You don't have to talk to stranger even. And इफ यू आर अफ्रेड, अगर आपको डर लगता है, देन यू हैव टू स्क्रीम हेल्प, मतलब आपको जोर से चिल्लाना है. नेवर गेट इनटू अ कार और एन ऑटो रिक्शा विथ अ स्ट्रेंजर. किसी भी स्ट्रेंजर के साथ आपको कार या रिक्शा में बैठना नहीं है. इफ दे आर कॉलिंग यू, यू हैव टू स्क्रीम फॉर द हेल्प. If a stranger tells you that someone from your family has sent them to pick you up, just scream help. अगर वो बोले कि आपके फैमिली मेंबर में से ही किसी ने आपको उनको भेजा है आपको लेने के लिए, then also you don't have to listen to him and just scream for the help. Always tell your parents or grandparents or teacher if a stranger talks to you or asks you where you live. And you have to tell, a stranger tried to give me sweets. So if anybody is telling you or asking you something and you don't know that person, you should tell to your parents that somebody was tried to give you sweets. Okay, so I hope all of you understood these things. These are very important things that you have to remember, and never answer to any stranger person. Okay, and now I am going to show you a short video, and you will enjoy to watch the video.
Red Riding Hood, adapted from an English folk tale. Mother gave little Red Riding Hood a basket of delicious food for her grandmother. Mother told her not to stop on the way or chat with strangers. Red Riding Hood met the bad wolf on the way. She forgot her mother's words and stopped to talk to the wolf. She asked the wolf the way to her grandmother's house. The wolf wanted to eat Red Riding Hood. He sent the girl on a long route to her granny's house. He then took a shorter road and reached Granny's house before Red Riding Hood. He pushed Granny under the bed. He wore Granny's dress and lay down in her bed. Red Riding Hood was surprised to see the wolf in Granny's bed. The wolf tried to kill her, but she shouted for help and was saved by the animals of the forest. Red Riding Hood learnt that she should not have disobeyed her parents.
Now all of you can understood that you have to obey your parents, grandparents and teachers. To obey your parents, grandparents and teachers, you have to listen to them carefully. Whatever they are telling to do you to do anything, you have to listen to them. Now after watching the video, you have to read the chapter once again and understood the points whatever is given in that chapter. I hope all of you understood and enjoyed the story, and now we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.